Hi folks, this is Tom. Welcome to part 2 of this video of how to clean porcelain, glass, and other non-porous materials. This is what our acid looks like after 2 days of soaking the porcelain in it. Stuff looks fairly clean. There's some dirt here, but that was there before we started. But honestly, I don't see anything on here. We probably could have actually gotten away with about 6 hours of soaking here. Okay, let's pour off the acid. What we're going to do is, while we're gloved up here, I'm going to pour this off into a container. We're going to cover this back up because it's fuming and the fumes are not good. If we look, that actually looks fairly clean. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually give it a real quick wash with water. That'll knock down some of the fumes here. That's good. I'll go ahead and just dump that out. Now we can take a real good close look at it. That looks good. I don't see any issues. The only question I have is that the insides of some of these insulators here are unglazed, and what I'm suspecting is that possibly some acid wicked into here, and if it did that, what may happen is some of the iron may come back out, and if it does that, what will happen is it's going to hit the water here and it's going to turn back into rust again. There's a trick to that. We're going to divide this roughly in two. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of them into here and half of them into here, and then we'll add literally just a splash of acid. This is going to be essentially a three-part cleaning process. First part is to soak it in acid. We've done that. The second part is we're going to soak one of these in pure water and the other one with a little splash of acid in there. And we'll do that for about a day. And at the end of a day, what we'll do is we'll check and we'll see if there's any rust that's formed in here on the sides of the porcelain. We'll put a splash of acid in there and do that again. But then what we'll do is we'll take the stuff that's been acid processed, and what we'll do is we'll put water into it again and see if that gets all of the material off of the surface. Okay, I'm back. These are both full of water and porcelain right now. They look pretty clean. I'm going to take the left-hand one, leave that there, and the right side one, literally we're going to put just a splash of acid in here, and that's it. That should be more than enough right there. You can see the different lines in there. We see the acid mixing with the water. We'll go ahead and give it a little bit of a mix there. We'll come back in about 24 hours and we'll check it out. Thanks for watching, folks.